Hi guys, today we're gonna make a chocolate hazelnut spread.
We're not frying it, we're making it.
We're not frying. Okay, so meron tayong isang cup ng hazelnut. I-roast lang natin siya for 8 minutes at 400 degrees. Para maalis lang yung shell niya. Okay, so, now we're gonna roast it. Let's wait, the oven is not ready. So, napalamig na namin siya para maalis yung balat niya. Kuha lang tayo ng kitchen towel, tapos i-rub lang natin. You wanna help?
Yeah, rub the towels, Luis.
Yeah, like that. Like that. It's here, the hazelnut. Come on, help mommy. Here. And we're gonna put in the food processor. You wanna help, Zaki? You wanna help?
Yes.
And we're gonna have a hazelnut later. Hazelnut spread. We can make a toast and then... Oh, thank you, Zaki. Yeah, but...
Yes. I written in the mouth and I saw a hazelnut on my tongue.
You saw hazelnut on your tongue. Okay, see?
I have no hazelnut on the tongue.
Okay. How about you, Zaki? Do you like hazelnut spread? Huh?
Is there something in your cheek, Zaki?
What's on your Okay, so we put in the food processor for at least 2 minutes. Hanggang sa maging ano siya, like peanut butter paste. Are you ready? It's okay. And then, scrape lang natin para walang buo-buo. Hindi pa siya masyado.
Put some mustard.
So, we'll process
No.
So, ganyan na siya. I-add na natin yung ating icing sugar, cocoa powder, oil, half a teaspoon vanilla, then ang ating chocolate milk. Oh, milk chocolate. What did I say?
Chocolate milk.
Chocolate.
I was like, that's some chunky chocolate milk you got going there, honey. Ooh.
It's melted. I use a chocolate chip.
Oh, nice.
Because that's what I have.
Okay,
Okay, and then we're gonna process it until it's smooth. So, are you ready to taste it later? Huh? Okay, are you ready? Cover your ears. Let's check.
Whoa, it's close. It turns into a Nutella again. Whoa, it's close.
You wanna try it? Let's see. Can you? Yeah, here.
Yeah, it's on your fingers.
What do you think? Oh my god. What do you think?
Tasty. Can this try it?
Do you wanna try it too?
Daddy, do you want to try this?
Sure. Mmm.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Maybe we can...
Whoa.
Okay, ipapatest natin sa aking amo. Okay, Zoe?
Amo.
Amo ko ikaw?
Amo kind.
May chocolate ka pa, baby, sa...
Come here, baby, sir.
Okay, Zoe, can you test it? Come on, try mo. Kung masarap. Sabihin mo kung masarap. Masarap?
Yes.
Masarap? Say masarap.
Masarap.
You like it?
Yes.
Does it taste like Nutella?
Yes.
Say yummy?
Yes.
Yeah. So guys, pwede nyo siyang store at room temperature like for 2 weeks. Kasi pag nilagay siya sa fridge, mag-ano siya, titigas. Pero hindi to tatagal ng 2 weeks kay Zoe. Try natin, Zoe. Cheers! 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 Chuk! Can you sit properly, please? It's chocolatey. It's yummy. Do you think Saki will like it?
He was going to sleep.
Yeah, but do you think he's gonna have some later? After his nap?
Hey.
Hey! Say salamat po
Salamat po
sa panonood.
sa panonood.
Hanggang sa muli.
Hanggang sa muli.
Ingat po.
Ingat po. Second breast. Second breast.
What is that?
Second breast.
Magtagalog ka, baby. Your face. So messy.
I have hazelnut on my face. I have to wash it.
After you're done. So do you like it? Do you like it?
Yes.
Is it yummy?
Yes.
Good job, Zoe. Thank you for helping Mommy.
Thank you for helping me.
Good job. Say bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye, everyone.
See you next time.
Next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.